Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes in the pop-up. Now you can click on Apply right away and decide if you wish to apply your wallpaper on home screen or home screen and lock screen. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. You can also go back to the same app, but this time click on this gear at the top left corner. Click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets over here. Click on the best one for you and choose Yes to apply it. Now go back to the same settings as before by hitting on the top right corner, then bottom right corner and selecting Set as Live Wallpaper. Over here, tap on Yes one more time. Decide where you wish to apply it and close your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!